How quickly can you pack grains into 5, 15 or 30 kilogram bags? Here you can see a NOTIS bag filling line being tested for a customer in Kemerovo, Russia. The system automatically weighs the product into each bag. Filled bags are lowered onto the conveyor and moved to the sewing station. Before filling begins, the line needs a continuous supply of product. The vibratory feeder receives oat flakes from the production line or from large bags. A vibrating tray feeds them onto the belt loader. The product is then lifted into the weigh filler's hopper. A level control system monitors the product in the hopper. Once the hopper is full, loading stops automatically. High output is achieved by using 2 filling spouts. While one bag is being filled, the operator attaches the next bag to the other spout. The weigh filler prepares the next batch in advance. As soon as a new bag is attached, the prepared batch is discharged immediately. The filled bag is automatically lowered onto the conveyor. Meanwhile, the operator moves back to the filling spout that is now free. The bag then moves to the sewing station. The operator straightens the top of the bag and guides it into the bag sewing machine. As the bag travels along the conveyor, the top is sewn closed and the thread is automatically cut. Simple, fast, and reliable. High speed only matters when you can maintain accuracy. NOTIS linear weigh fillers use our own weighing algorithms. The system analyzes previous filling cycles and automatically adjusts the product feed for optimum performance. This allows high output to be combined with accurate weight in every bag. Almost all the equipment is designed and manufactured by NOTIS. The only exception is the bag sewing machine, supplied by our partners. During testing, the line successfully handled not only oat flakes, but another type of free-flowing product as well. Customers use these lines for packing sugar, cereals, grains, and nuts. Other companies use them for animal feed and pet food. Some of our customers also manufacture non-food products, for example, wood pellets, dry fertilizers, and other free-flowing materials. NOTIS has been manufacturing systems like these for 30 years. Demand for these lines continues to grow. In just the last 3 months, we have received new orders from companies in Kemerovo, Moscow, and Kazan, Russia. If you are looking for equipment to pack free-flowing products into bags, NOTIS specialists will help you find the right solution for your specific application. Follow the link in the description or contact us through our website, notis.ru.